Wait, what is that? Anybody can tell me what this is? It is a donkey. Yes, but what is the donkey doing here? Let us find out. Donkey? Donkey? What are you doing here? Donkey say him have heavy load. No, we are talking about animals that transport goods and people from one place to another. Now here is an animal that we can use to transport goods and people from one place to another. The donkey. In Jamaica we call it a jackass. For those who don't know, in Jamaica we call a donkey a jackass. Now I am going to load up the donkey. Sweetly says the donkey at its break of day. If you do not feed it, this is what it says. Ee-haw, 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 ee-haw. All right, let me load up the donkey. Now, here I have some plantain coming from the market with some plantain and some banana. We're going to the market. Now, on the donkey, we have some basket called hampers. Yes, they are on both sides. Here is one of the hamper. And what we will do is to put in the goods that we are taking to the market in the hamper. Pull it up with all the goods. And then the heavy one in the crocus bag. For those who know the big crocus bag, it's heavy. Woo! They will put it on top of the donkey. And the market we will go. Let us go on the donkey. Whew. Let's go. Everybody on the donkey. Oh, our market we are go. Our market we are go. Load up the donkey and we go into the market. Oh, our market we are. Hee-haw, a market we are go. Load up the donkey. We are going to the market. So the donkey carry heavy load. Donkey carry heavy load and the donkey is going to the market with all these goods for the farmer, right? Yes. Now we are going to sing a song for the donkey. Tell me which month the donkey can ball. Tell me which month the donkey can ball. Tell me which month the donkey can ball. Tell me which month the donkey can. Is it January, February, March, April, May, June, July? August. All right, give the donkey a big clap. All right, now the donkey have heavy load going to the market. So the donkey helps us to take goods from one place to another. Now you want to see me ride the donkey? No, people can go on the donkey as well, you know. Yes, man. So I'm going on the donkey. And I will say, donkey, we're going into Maypen town. So let us go. Everybody come on the donkey. Everybody come. We're going to Maypen. Jack. We're going to Maypen, Jack. Look at the donkey and the donkey is going. So the donkey can carry people as well because I am on the donkey. Boys and girls, let us go. Hold on, Mr. Donkey. Hold on. We are going to do something else. Now, we have been talking about some animals that transport people, but not just Jamaica, all over the world. We have the camel, the donkey, the horse, the elephant, the oxen, and dogs. So around the world, people use different animals to transport goods for our people from one place to another. Now we are going to letter count these words. Let's go. This is the word camel. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters are in the word camel, so you'll put numeral 5 in the box. Down here we have the word elephant. That's a long word. Let's count to see how many letters are in the word elephant. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we'll put the numeral 8 in the box. Now you are going to do the others. Let's call their name again. Camel, donkey, horse, elephant, oxen, dogs. Now before we go, we are going to ride the donkey again. All right, so we're gonna go riding the donkey all the way to Maypen. Hee-haw! Riding the donkey, woo-haw! All the way to Maypen. Oh, the donkey a bray, hee-haw! The donkey a bray, hee-haw! The donkey a bray, hee-haw! We going to Maypen. Woo! Riding the donkey, woo!